Today we'll be taking a closer look at the Titan Jet sublimation process. The first step is the Titan Jet printing process. Here the images are mirrored and printed to a sublimation paper of around 100 GSM. The dye sublimation process is used to print on polyester or any other synthetic fabrics containing at least 70% polyester. The Titan Jet take-up system plays an essential role in the transfer process. This system allows you to wind up your sublimation paper automatically to allow efficient production. The second step is the Titan Jet transfer process. In the Titan Jet heat transfer process, the mirrored printed artwork and the 100% polyester fabric is now simultaneously fed through the Titan Jet sublimation roll press. This piece of equipment is ideal for stretchable and non-stretchable fabrics, hence far more superior to direct-to-fabric systems. Under high temperature and pressure, the sublimation ink turns into a gas and permeates the fabric, and then solidifies into its fibers. The fabric is permanently dyed so it can be washed without losing its vibrant colors. The sublimation paper is separated from the fabric to avoid shadowing. The result is a permanent, vibrant print that is now ready to be sent to the finishing department. Kindly note, the following scenery is shown in a clothing factory setting. The stitching machines are not part of the Titan Jet product range. This process has endless possibilities for the signage industry. It is used for soft signage, flags, gazebos, banners, or banner walls. In the home decor industry, it is used for upholstery, bedding, tablecloths, towels, and custom curtains. Sportswear, company uniforms, casual wear and clothing accessories all forms part of the expanding South African clothing manufacturing industry. The process is now complete and the product is ready for use. Titan Jet. It's peace of mind.